funky.
Hey.
We're going to the beach tomorrow, and
Cause we're bored as fuck.
right?
And we got boba
We
today.
got boba, so we're gonna do a taste test.
What should we tell them what we got?
Yeah.
Okay, you can go first.
Okay, so I got a brown sugar bubble milk.
Oh. And I got the Thai milk tea. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
Ooh. Okay.
Oh my gosh, wait, that's so good.
Is it good?
Yeah, do you want to try it?
You want to try mine? Mine literally spilled on me. This is so embarrassing. Ooh. Yours is good too.
I kind of really like this.
But yeah, guys, we're going to the beach tomorrow. And are we taking pictures still?
Yeah.
Okay. We're taking pictures. Send me your outfit because I don't know what I should bring.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we're gonna literally be very attractive tomorrow.
Yeah. We're about to go
We
out.
got so many fruits for our adventure.
Yes, fruits, nuts.
Fruits,
assorted
nuts,
assorted nuts.
and chips,
And chips,
and sandwiches or wraps.
Wraps.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys on the drive tomorrow.
Bye. Hey guys. We're going
This is
to
the next day.
Yeah, the
What are
next
we-
day, and we're heading to the beach right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we got all of our stuff, and we ate before we left, and
Now we're gonna go.
now we're gonna go. Hey guys, we're in Jersey now. We're 5 minutes away, and
Yeah.
yeah.
Yo.
Yo.
I literally
There's
did
some
not even
water
feel like-
over there. If you, oh, you can see it. Water.
So it wasn't even that bad of a drive. It's like did not feel like an hour at all.
Yeah, we got our bucket hats on.
Now we just gotta find parking
Pocket.
because that I don't even know if there will be.
Yeah.
My friend said there was parking, so hopefully there's parking.
Yeah.
But
So
we're in here now.
we're
And-
getting in tonight.
But yeah, we're gonna. Hopefully the sun comes out soon because.
Look at this kind
Look
of cloudy.
But she's gonna come out. I'm manifesting it, guys.
Manifesting it.
Manifesting it, and we might literally just drive to our old house and look at it.
Yeah. So
Meet
that's
up.
cute.
Meet up at Avalon by the Sea.
Avalon by the Sea.
Avalon by the Sea. So meet up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Choose your fighter. Lightning inspired. Fight.
Hey guys, we're here at the beach. We're testing out the waters. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, it's crazy cold. A little crazy.
It's freezing.
There's no way I'm going in that.
Yeah, no, I'm not going yet. I'm in today.
Yeah. It's time to lay. We're gonna lay. So, we tested out the waters. It's pretty cold. But it's okay.
Okay.
And we got fruit here.
Paul.
Paul.
Press it down. Okay. So it's the boating school over there.
Buddy.
So these are actually so Whoa. They're like good now. Picnic on the beach.
Yeah, picnic on the beach. It started raining.
Literally for maybe 30 seconds and we got 4 or 5.
Yeah.
Because there's just this huge cloud coming to the sun right now. But it's already finished like right there.
Yeah.
So it should pass.
So yeah. Okay guys, I'm gonna do the polar plunge into the water. The polar plunge challenge.
I'm not doing it because
He's
I'm
not
a
doing it.
pussy.
You can't do it.
Yeah. I literally
Okay.
can't. You're not. Oh my god. You're insane.
I can't. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, polar plunge challenge. Here we go. Should I go down? Like underneath? 3. Polar plunge. It's wet. It's wet.
How do you feel now?
I feel so much better.
Do you actually feel refreshed?
Yes, I do.
Oh my god.
Should you do the polar plunge?
Should I do the polar plunge?
Let's do the polar plunge, guys. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do the polar plunge. This time,
Is anyone even swimming?
No.
So we dare be the only ones to swim?
Yeah.
I can't, oh my god. I can't, oh my god, I can't. I literally can't. I literally can't.
It's not that bad.
It's
Okay,
literally freezing.
it's not as cold as I remembered it now. Like,
You're joking.
No, it's good.
I literally can't.
I can't. We can do it.
I'll dip my hair.
Okay, dip your hair.
Okay.
He's gonna dip his hair. Dip your
I
hair.
literally can't. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Here, wait.
Feet hurt.
You can do it, girl.
I can't. My feet hurt. Oh my god, they're literally numb right now. They're literally numb right now.
Yeah, polar plunge, polar plunge. Do it. Come on. Look, it's feet are numb. To ascending it again.
I'll wet my hair.
Okay, come on, let's go.
I'm wetting my hair. It's literally freezing. I can't do this.
I'm going down.
I can't.
Okay, I can do it. Okay, ready? 3, 2. It's so cold. Hey guys,
Sorry we forgot about you.
we forgot about the vlog.
We were literally just sleeping and trying to get attention from everyone,
Yeah.
but we did not succeed, so.
Yeah. Oh.
What is that? Ew.
Kind of weird. But we're on rocks right now.
Is that a crab?
Where?
Oh,
That?
the flies on it.
I think so.
Wow.
We're on the rocks.
Hashtag I'll have a sex on the beach on the rocks.
On the rocks. Literally on the rocks.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Guys, we're gonna reenact the movie and like push it.
Yeah. Yeah. Here we go.
Here's what it
We're heading off the rocks.
Because we were assaulted by the barnacles. Damn.
Yeah, by the barnacles.
Where's Barnacle Boy when you need him?
Mermaid Man and Barnacle Boy.
He's just like fucking up with Mermaid Man. That's what he's doing.
Fucking it up.
Fucking it up with Mermaid Man. Ew,
So-
that's nasty.
That is pretty fucking nasty. Woo! Woo!
Look at all this litter. So rude.
Love it. 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
Here.
And you run past. It's like.
Go. Oh my gosh, wait, I'm scared. Here, wait. Ugh.
So you got it. We got like
We got this.
20 feet left.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Okay. We can do this.
Oh,
That was really
I
rude.
just got splashed.
Oh
I
wow.
got assaulted by the water.
By the water.
Okay guys, we're leaving Avon now.
Yeah.
We're gonna give you our Yelp review
We got ice cream.
from Courtney.
From Courtney.
Who's a
Personally.
bitch.
Mm-hmm.
Literally was like, leave my show.
And I was like,
We supported you.
yeah.
We did everything for you. And you're literally not gonna give us ice cream for free. I was like, can I get the vegan mango as well as the banana in one scoop? And she's like, I'm gonna have to upcharge you. I'm like,
Right?
get your ass in the car. Like,
Upcharge me?
the one that literally brought you a sign that said, go number 17 on the court.
On the court.
And she was like, you know what? That means absolutely nothing to me. I don't like you.
Yeah, she was racist.
Rachel. I was like, what the heck?
But thank you, Avon, personally, for giving us a good time.
Yeah. Stan you guys for that.
Stan you guys. The water was pretty cold, but we
You know
had
what? It's
fun.
whatever.
We had a fun challenge.
Mm-hmm.
Anyways. Anyways, that is the end of our vlog.
That's the end of our vlog, even though we literally did not vlog at all because we suck.
So this is gonna be
So
like
bad.
probably I bet this is gonna be like a 3-minute video.
Not even, maybe even like 30 seconds.
Yeah. So I could literally put this on TikTok, this whole video on TikTok.
Oh yeah, you can, and be like, ah,
Yeah, that's exactly my reaction.
yeah.
Yeah, so
And she uses styrofoam cups too. Like, how is this environmentally safe?
right?
Like, you're literally so rude. Learn how to be a better person.
Yeah.
How to build a better Courtney.
How to build a better Courtney.
Someone needs to come out with that movie because we don't have any good Courtneys left in this world.
Yeah.
TBH.
Anyways, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Period. Subscribe. Period.
Like period.
Like period.
Comment period.
Comment period.
Share period. As well as. Yeah.
Yeah.
That seems all you can do.
Yeah. So, see ya.
Oh my god, it's Krayshawn.